How to log out of Facebook Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of your Messenger. First thing you can do is go ahead and open up the Messenger application and make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to log out of. Then you can find the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and then go to settings from here. Once you head over to settings, you can either tap on switch account to switch over to your account. But if you want to simply go ahead and change and log out, you can go and find your account center down below. Tap on account center, then you can go to password and security. And here you can see where you are logged in. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you could just go ahead and select your Facebook account here. Since your Facebook is connected to your Messenger, you could just go ahead and log out of here without any problem. Select any one of the option and then simply log out. That's basically it, guys. Additionally, what you can do is clear your Messenger's data. Long press on this, tap on the I button at the top right, and then from here go to storage. Once you tap on storage, you could directly tap on clear data at the bottom and then tap on delete. It will permanently delete your database, including all file settings, accounts, and then you should be logged out of here without any problem. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.